Hello, today let's see how we can write like this. At first, we need to go to site 1001fonts.com. Link you will find in the description, and here we can choose any font. Here we see license. Red one is the font is free for personal use, and green is free for commercial use. So click on the font, click download, and then go to downloads, click right button and extract all. Now let's go to our Canva homepage, and on the left side, click brand and upload a font. This feature is available only for Canva Pro account. If you don't have Canva Pro, click link in the description and try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. Now I'm choosing my font and click open. Yes. Now let's go to the left side menu, click letter T, add a heading, and we can enter any text. And let's go to the top menu, and here we will find uploaded fonts. And here you go. Let's try another one. Go to the site and click download. Click right button, extract. Go to Canva homepage, click brand, upload a font. Click open, yes. Enter any text. Go to the top menu. Go to uploaded fonts. And here you go. We can change the color and etc. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check Extensive Canva Master Course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description. See you!